So now we're going to focus on getting the corner pieces. So the white, 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 and white. And that way we'll have the whole top in white. So we can locate the corner pieces here, here. They're the ones that have the two different colors on them. So two different colors, two different colors, two different colors. Now, all these steps will be laid up over here. But for now, I'm going to explain to you, and you can do it at the same time. So we're going to start with this one. Now, as we can see, it has a blue and a red piece next to it. So what that means is we have to locate the blue and the red. So there's the red and there's the blue. And here's our white piece. So we need to get this white piece up here. So the way we can do this is, if you think of it logically, if we need to turn this, and we need to bring it in, it's still not there. So let's put that back to the way it was. Now it's back here. Now what we want to do is we want to get this up here. So if we rotate like that, we bring this down. So we rotate to the bottom, we brought this one down, and then we rotate it back and back up. Again, the steps are going to be laid out, but now you can see we have that edge piece, and we have the red in the right color because the red and the blue and the blue. So the aim of this is to get a T shape. So I'm going to do the next one, which is going to be the blue and orange. So let's find a blue and orange white. Right, here's a white piece with an orange and a blue. So let's move this over to here because we have orange and blue. Remember, always face it up. And we need to get this piece all the way here. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to bring the right side down anti-clockwise. We're going to turn the bottom twice. We're going to bring the right side clockwise up. And now we're going to turn the bottom again. So now the reason we're doing this is, last time we turned the bottom and we turned the right side, we turned the bottom and it was in the right place. However, that's not the case now, because last time the piece was here, the white piece, sorry, let me put that back to normal. Last time the white piece was here, so turning it over there would work, but now it's over here. So this is even easier. All you have to do for this is turn the right side anti-clockwise, turn the bottom, and then turn the top, and turn the right side again. And now you can see we have a T shape. And we've got the orange in the right place and the blue in the right place. So the next side we're going to do is the orange and green. So here's the orange and the green. Again, this one's easy. We've got the orange and the green, and it's over here. So all we have to do is turn the right side, turn the bottom, and then turn the right side again. And we have that. We've got one side left, one corner left. This is amazing. So we've got the T here, and we need that side. So let's locate that white. Here's this white. So let's put that into position. We have the red and the green. And again, this one's on the right. This one's on this side. So all it is the right hand side turn, bottom turn, and the right hand side turn. And now you can see we have our white side. So you should have your white side by now. If you've got any hiccups, you can just start again from that section. And if you're still struggling, please post something to the discussion board or send me a private message. But if you look here, we have the T, we have the T on the red, T on the blue, and T on the orange with the whole white side. The next thing we're going to do is flip it. So this is in the next video, and get all of that orange, all of that green, all of that red, and all of that blue. So I'll see you in the next video for solving the middle layer. Thank you very much for watching.